come down. Yeah, man, the people see that. Take your money, build a house. Girls are drugs. Gotta make a move, car. I get all every day. Good luck. There's a dust storm in our place at the moment. There is a dust storm. For the El Nino causing it. There's a thick dust. Yeah, boy, anyway. Glad we make the move because we get all every day. Set a legacy for youth, them and thing. Although my youth, them not really there around me, I have to set a legacy. So when time them ready, more than space there for them. You know what I mean? Preparations were already made. Come in our place if hope so no matter them yard. As I say people take on the money boy build house, girls are drugs, hungry girls are no drugs to me and my daughter them. Because I have to set the legacy for them, you know what I mean? So have a good day everyone. Big up on yourself. If you're in Jamaica, stay cool. Keep it cool. If you have to go to the beach, go to the beach. If you have to go to the river, go to the river. Who have AC, turn it down. You not turn up AC if you get cooler. Big up on yourself.